Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So student, today our question is 2 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63 plus 1 over 99 plus 1 over 143. So student, today in this video I will tell you how to simplify this algebraic expression. So my dear student, in this algebraic expression, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Okay. In first term here is 2 and in second term here is 1 over 15 and in third term here is 1 over 35 and in fourth terms here is 1 over 63 and in fifth terms here is 1 over 99 and in sixth term here is 1 over 143. So we can write in here 2 plus, in second term in the place of denominator here is 15. So we have to write 1 over, in the place of 15 we have to write 3 into 5. Plus again we have to write 1 and in the place of 35 we have to write 5 into 7. Okay student. Plus in fourth term here is 1 over 63. So again we have to write 1 in the place of numerator and in the place of denominator we have to write 7 into 9. Plus again we have to write 1 in the place of numerator and in the place of denominator we have to write 9 into 11. Plus again we have to write 1 and in the place of 143 we have to write 11 into 13. If you multiply 11 into 13 then you get 143. So we can write in the place of 143 11 into 13. So student, to simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to multiply 2 over 2 with this fraction. So 2 over 2 that is 1. Okay. So we can multiply 2 over 2 this algebraic expression. So we can write in here 2 over 2 third bracket and inside this third bracket we can write 2 plus 1 over 3 into 5 plus 1 over 5 into 7 plus 1 over 7 into 9 plus again we have to write 1 over 9 into 11 plus in last position we have to write 1 over 11 into 13. And we can multiply each numerator of this fraction by 2. So we can write in here 1 over 2 we have to write and inside this third bracket we can, if you multiply 2 with 2 then you get 4. So you have to write in here 4. If you multiply 2 with 1 then you get 2. So you have to write in here 2 over 3 into 5. So we have to multiply 2 with all numerator, okay, of this given fraction. So again we have to write 2 over 5 into 7. If you multiply 2 with 1 then you get 2. So you have to write in here 2 over, again we have to write 7 into 9. Plus similarly we can write in here 2 over 9 into 11 plus in last position we can write in here 2 over 11 into 13. Third bracket close. So student, now we can write in here 1 over 2 third bracket and inside this third bracket we can write 4 plus, so student, in second term in the place of denominator here is 3 into 5. If you subtract 3 from 5, then you get 2. So we can write, and in third term, in the place of denominator here is 5 into 7. So if you subtract 5 from 7, then you get 2. In fourth term, so here is 7 into 9. So if you subtract 7 from 9, then you get 2. So we can write in the place of 2, in second term, 5 minus 3. So here is in the place of denominator here is 3 into 5. So in the place of 2 we can write 5 minus 3. If you subtract 3 from 5, then you get 2. So we can write in the place of 2 5 minus 3. And denominator again we have to write 3 into 5. Plus in third term, in the place of denominator here is 5 into 7. In the place of 2 we can write 7 minus 5. Okay. And in the place of denominator again we have to write 5 into 7. Plus in fourth term, in the place of denominator here is 7 into 9. So we have to write in the place of 2 9 minus 7 over again we have to write 7 into 9. Similarly, in fifth term, in the place of 2 we can write 11 minus 9. In fifth term, in the place of denominator here is 9 into 11. So we have to write in the place of 2 11 minus 9. And in the place of denominator again we have to write 9 into 11. Plus in last term, in the place of 2 we have to write 13 minus 11. Over again we have to write 11 into 13. Third bracket closed. So student, now we can write 1 over 2 third bracket, and inside this third bracket again we have to write 4 plus in second term here is 5 minus 3 over 3 into 5. So student, according to distributive law we can write from this fraction 5 over 3 into 5 minus 3 over 3 into 5 plus similarly according to the distributive law we can write from this fraction 7 over 5 into 7 minus 5 over 5 into 7 plus similarly we can write from this fraction 9 over 7 into 9 minus, here is minus sign, and we have to write 7 over 7 into 9. So we can write 7 over 7 into 9. And in fifth terms here is 11 minus 9 over 9 into 11. So we can write from this fraction plus 11 over 9 into 11 minus, see here is minus sign, so we can write 9 over 9 into 11 plus in last position here is 13 minus 11 over 11 into 13. So we can write in here 13 over 11 into 13 minus 11 over 11 into 13. Okay student, third bracket close. So we can write now 1 over 2 third bracket, and inside this third bracket we can write 4 plus in second fraction here is 5 over 3 into 5. So we can cancel 5 from numerator and denominator in second fraction. Okay. And in third fraction we can cancel 3 from numerator and denominator. In fourth fraction we can cancel 7 from numerator and denominator, and we can cancel 5 from numerator and denominator in this fraction, and similarly we can cancel 9 from numerator and denominator in this fraction, and here is we have to cancel 7 and we can cancel 11 in this fraction, and again similarly again we can cancel 9 in this fraction, and in this fraction we can cancel 13 from numerator and denominator, and in last fraction we can cancel 11 from numerator and denominator. So we can write in here 1 over 2 third bracket, and inside this third bracket we have to write 4 plus in second term we can write from this fraction 1 over 3 minus we can write from this fraction 1 over 5 plus we can write from this fraction 1 over 5 minus we can write from this fraction 1 over 7 plus we can write from this fraction 1 over 7 minus we can write from this fraction 1 over 9 plus we can write from this fraction 1 over 9 minus we can write from this fraction 1 over 11 plus if you cancel 13 from numerator and denominator, so we can write from this fraction plus 1 over 11 minus we can write from this last fraction 1 over 13. Okay student. So we can cancel minus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. We can cancel minus 1 over 7 and plus 1 over 7. We can cancel minus 1 over 9 and plus 1 over 9. And similarly we can cancel minus 1 over 11 and plus 1 over 11. So we can write from this algebraic expression 1 over 2 third bracket, and inside this third bracket we have to write 4 plus 1 over 3 minus, so here is minus 1 over 13 is left, so we have to write 1 over 13. Okay, is equal to, again we have to write 1 over 2 into, inside this third bracket we have to write division line, and you have to write the LCM of 3 and 13. The LCM of 3 and 13 is 39. So you have to write 39 in the place of denominator. You have to write 4 into 39. If you convert 4 into fractional form, so you have to take 1 in the place of denominator. So you have to write in here 4 into 39. Plus, similarly, we have to divide the LCM 39 by 3, then you get 13. So we have to multiply. So we can multiply 1 with 13 minus, if you divide the LCM 39 by 13, then you get 3. So we have to multiply 1 into 1 with 3. Okay, so now we can write from this algebraic expression 1 over 2, and inside this third bracket if you multiply 4 with 39, then you get 156 plus if you multiply 1 with 13, then you get 13 minus if you multiply 1 with 3, then you get 3. So you have to write 3 over 39. So student, now we can write from this algebraic expression 1 over 2 into, if you calculate 156 plus 13 minus 3, then you get 166 over, again we have to write 39 in the place of denominator. Okay, can divide 166 by 2, then you get 83. So we can cancel 2 and 166, so we have to write in the place of the numerator 83, and in the place of denominator here is 39. That is 83 over 39. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.